Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, then hi, I'm Zineb. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to run a Python project or any Python code on the MacBook terminal. So let's get started. I like downloading this thing called Atom, which is where you can run code and you can save it, the code you've run, onto your desktop, which is really useful to run it on the terminal. So I'm just going to download it now and wait for this to load. So here I have the opening. This is what happens when you first download it. I'm just going to delete this. So you first need to add a folder. Right now I already have this created, but when you can press new folder if you need to create a new one. So let's just open that. And then here, when you have this new folder created, you click on File and write New File. Then you have a completely new file on it. So let's just do the usual print hello world to test this out. So after this, I'm just going to save as, and here I'm just gonna, let's just call it test code.py. So now when you go back onto your terminal, this is where it gets a bit tricky and you need to use a harder language, which takes some time to learn, but you'll get used to it. So we need to open up the file folder on this. So to do that, you need to write pwd, and that goes to the file folder, which is right down here. Then you need to open up the folder which we created earlier on when you first download Atom. So I'm just going to write ls to show me all my folders. These are all the folders I have on my MacBook, and right now I'm going to open documents because that's where I put it. And to open document or open up a folder, or anything, you need to write cd. So now I'm in documents. It says documents after MacBook Pro. Right there. Now I'm going to have to open up the file in documents. So I'm going to write, if you want to see all your documents, you write ls again. No, I'm not going to go into that today. So I'm going to write cd coding because that's the name of the folder I put my coding things in. Okay, now you can see, once again, I'm inside coding, and I'm going to write Python 3. If you don't have that installed, then you should definitely just go to the Python website, and it was so easy to install it. And then it comes straight to activate. You just need to write Python 3 and it will come, and you can code Python 3 on it. So here, when now you write Python 3, then you write the name of the file. So it's called testcode.py. And now it prints hello world. Now you can try this with whatever. This is just a really simple one, but if you wanted to create more advanced codes, then it will also print out and do whatever the code you made on Atom. Okay, so I hope this is helpful, and if you have any requests for any videos, please write it down in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. Bye!